Okay, a little bit of background here on what's going on. I've got a F-250 Ford with a 7.3 liter Power Stroke diesel, and we got a no start. And what's happened is last spring it wouldn't start. It was out here on the farm. I cranked it, it didn't start, and I really didn't have time to mess with it because we were on our way to Wyoming. So now we're back in the fall and I'm ready to try to tackle this. This truck has 391,000 plus change. I've really never done anything to it. I don't want to buy a new truck. I want to keep this one. I've kept it in pretty good shape over the years. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull all the glow plugs, missing words there, and I'm going to do a compression check on it, and that's going to tell me where to go from there. But I plan on throwing parts at this thing because I want to replace a lot of the sensors and things that are known to go wrong with these, although this is the first time I've really had a problem. And I really haven't done much to the transmission with all those miles, so we're getting some help with our cat over there. So I'm probably going to put the transmission into a shop and have them put new seals and clutches and stuff in it. And like I said, I'm going to throw some parts at it, throw some money at it, and this is going to get us down the road for another 20 years.